Di mo tubag.
Nagagulaan?
Wow! What will you say?
Wala kasabot sila sana. Ang uban no kasabot.
Thank you, Ma'am Roslyn, sa imong paghatag og token. Are you happy? Again, what will you say to Ma'am Roslyn? Oh, niya daw, hug and kiss. We have come to the last part of today's event. Let us lend our ears to listen to Lee Krishna G. Igbos for her closing remarks.